Hello everyone, this is Seongjun or Sean again. Welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll explore more about FDI. Let's check out businesses you can invest in Korea and go over the different ways you can invest, whether it's through investing into stocks, loans, or providing non-profit contributions to the non-profit organizations. Now, let's jump right into it. Before we talk about FDI, some of you guys might wonder what exactly is it FDI? FDI stands for Foreign Direct Investment, and it refers to when a company or individual from one country invests into business interests in another country. This investment typically involves a significant degree of ownership or control in the foreign business. FDI can take various forms, such as setting up new facilities, acquiring a stake in existing enterprises, or forming a joint ventures with a local company. FDI plays a crucial role in our global economic development by facilitating the capital flows, technology transfer, job creation, and economic growth in both the investing and receiving countries. FDI plays a significant role in our economic development, and understanding its qualifications and requirements is highly essential. By definition, FDI refers to an investment of not less than 100 million won made by foreigners with certain conditions in place to qualify as such an investment. For instance, to be recognized as FDI, at least 10% of the voting stocks issued by the domestic corporation or business should be foreign owned. This percentage applies both to equity ownership and to the total investment amount made by the foreign investors. Additionally, there are provisions for cases where foreigners may acquire less than 10% of stocks or contribute a lower investment percentage. However, they must then dispatch or appoint an executive member with authority in significant decision-making and management within the company. When it comes to the types of investable businesses in Korea, a foreigner may engage in a wide variety of activities within South Korea, barring a few exceptions laid out by the Korean legislation. Out of 1,135 industries, a notable 1,106 are unrestricted to foreign investment, and with the exclusion of 3 unopened industries and 26 that are subject to restrictions. The forms of FDI are very diverse and include the acquisition of certain equity shares, a process where an investor commits 100 million won or more and obtains 10% or more of the voting shares in the company, like mentioned previously, thereby establishing a stable economic relationship with their Korean counterpart that they wish to set up in Korea. Another form is utilizing the long-term loans, which must satisfy the condition of minimum 5-year term and can only be offered by an overseas parent company or a company in a capital investment relationship with the recipient, provided equity investment has already been made. Contributions to non-profit organizations, such as NPOs, are also considered as a form of FDI when the foreign contribution is at least 50 million won and constitutes at least 10% of the total amount, subject to certain conditions. Moreover, the reinvestment of a foreign investment company's unappropriated earned surplus for a specific purpose, like factory expansion, falls under the category of FDI, counting as foreign investment based on the amount spent and the foreign investment ratio. The range of investment objects for FDI is quite broad, but let's primarily focus on the 3 examples. These include stocks of a foreign company listed on foreign stock markets, stocks owned by a foreigner complying with legal acts like Foreign Investment Promotion Act or the Foreign Exchange Transaction Act, and domestic real estate owned by the foreigner. Each of these assets must therefore meet at least one of the stated conditions to be recognized and considered as a legitimate target for FDI. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope these information wasn't too boring for you and was actually quite useful information for you to utilize. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.